how to fix VFS account login not working. So if you want to fix your VFS account login not working, then what you need to do is you need to first head over to the VFS global logins page. Here, you will have an option to enter your email and your password. Even though you have entered the correct email and password, if you're still not being able to log in, then the first thing I recommend is checking your internet connection. For that, simply swipe down on your control panel, and I suggest you to switch. If you're using a Wi-Fi, you can switch to your mobile data, or if you're using your mobile data, you can switch to your Wi-Fi. Once you've done that, you can try to log in using your mobile data, and it might work. But if you're still facing the issue, it's a good idea to clear the cache on your browser. To do that, you need to go back and then just simply go with the three dots which will be in the top right. Scroll down and go with settings. Under settings, you need to go with privacy and security, and then scroll down and you will find an option of delete browsing data which will be in the top. Now go with delete data which will be on the bottom and then delete it. After deleting, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go and open up any web store. Like I'll go with Play Store, and here you need to just simply go with search and search for Chrome. After searching, if you have any updates on your Chrome, then just simply go and update it and try using another browser or connection. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.